네, 여러분 안녕하세요. Hello, welcome to Korean with Sean. Of course, my name is Sean. Today we are going to be looking at how to read Hangul. How to read Hangul, which is Korean alphabets. If you want to learn Korean but you don't know where to start, learning to read Hangul is the first step. Let's start with vowels. These are the vowels and we are going to take a look at what they sound like. The round circle is called 이응, 이응, which is one of consonants and it sounds like just 응, or no sound at all. But the reason why I put it together with the vowels is so that you can see how they can be put together and in what order they are put together. As you can see in this example, the consonant 이응, which is the round circle, is placed on the top or left side, which means a vowel is placed on the right hand side of a consonant or on the bottom. Oh, you don't need to try to remember it too much because you're bound to get familiar with the shapes. So there's nothing to worry. I'm going to read them out for you. Please focus on the sound as much as you can. Or you can try to copy me. Are you ready? 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Let's try one more time. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Alright, let's do a pop quiz here. Can you read these words? If you need more time to try, then you can pause and try read them by yourself first. Alright then, let's check it out. 아이, 오이, 우유, 여유, 유아, 여우, 아이유. Did you get all of them right? Okay, then let's move on to the next level. Actually, we have a few more vowels. If you combine certain vowels that we just looked at, then we will have other vowels. 위, 의, 와, 워. Let me try again. 위, 의, 와, 워. 에. You can just think of them as the same sound. 예. You can also regard those two as the same sound as well. 왜. Same here too. Let me read them out for you to double check. 위, 의, 와, 워. 에. 예. 왜. Alright, then let's do a pop quiz here. 위안. 외워. 예의. 예은. 위안, 외워, 예의, 예은. Did you get all of them right? Don't worry if you didn't get them right. You will get used to them soon. So I'd like to recommend you to watch this video several times to get used to the shape of the vowels and their sounds. Then you are bound to read them naturally. Alright, so we went through all the vowels together. How's that? Pretty easy, eh? That's for today. Thank you for visiting Korean with Sean and for watching my video. We are going to take a look at the consonants in the next video. So please make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Also, please share this video with your friends who are also learning Korean. Alright, I will see you in the next video. 그럼 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕.